Hi there, this is Adventure Rider in the beautiful nature. But I'm really astonished. If you really listen with rapt attention, you will hear twittering sounds of different varieties by lot of species of the birds. I'm not able to understand what they are doing. They are all twittering, they are all telling something in their own melodious tones, which is beyond my comprehension and my intelligence. Can you tell me what they are talking? All around, on the top of the trees are a lot of birds, and they are all singing. I'm amazed. I've got the inspiration of Charles Darwin. I want to understand what they are conveying to us. Probably they are teaching us harmonious living in perfect peace and joy and serenity. Please answer what they are talking.